If you create a simple HTML project in VS Code, how do you start using Git?
First, open your project folder in VS Code and open the terminal.
Before initializing Git, let's check the Git status.
Run this command. It helps you check the current status of your Git project. Git status.
You may see this message, fatal, not a Git repository or any of the parent directories .git. This means Git is not initialized in this project yet.
Now run Git Init to initialize Git in your project.
Now run Git status again. This time, Git will show you the status of your project files.
Next, add your files to the staging area. Git add dot. The dot means add all files in the current project. Finally, create your first commit. Git commit -m initial commit. A commit is like saving a version of your project in Git. So the basic Git workflow is Git Init, Git status, Git add dot, Git commit. These are some of the basic Git commands you'll use regularly in your projects. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect this project to GitHub and push your code.